You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this fascinating name, beautiful name. If you want to learn more confusing names pronounced correctly, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll definitely want to listen to and learn from. Pronounced as Janice. Yes, you've heard it. I put the phonetic spelling for you on your screen. Janice. Yeah, it's easy, so don't worry too much about the nice. So it's not Janice. No, stress on that first ja syllable. In English, how to pronounce Janice. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.